Hey kids, and we are finally back with this thing, yeah, and specifically we're back with Windows with this thing. Yes, it's been a little while. I'm pretty sure the last one we did was Windows Server 2003 back in, yikes, November 2024. That was over a year ago, so, yeah, so it is time for this thing. Windows Server 2008. This is a freshly burned disk. So yeah, we're going to be installing it on this. Now, during the time of the last video I made this thing, and now I have made this my Vista 7 and Windows 8 main machine, but I've also made a little partition for me to mess around with, called the fuck around partition. So, yeah, we're going to be installing it on that. So, okay, so let's boot into our beautiful CD, or no, it's a DVD, really. Okay, so Windows Server 2008, copyright 2007. Not really, but we're just gonna go with that. Install now. So yeah, as you can see, we got a very nice set of background. It's basically the Vista one, but gray. And I do quite dig the gray. You know what I'm saying? We're going to go with standard full installation. This installation includes the entire user interface and supports all the server roles. All right, cool. And we are going to accept this. Custom, and we are going to install on our favorite little partition, the fuck around partition. There you go. Then you continue. I'll just skip that. 8, nope. Vista, nope. Alright, well, you can... Okay, well, do that, I suppose. Oh, okay, well, it looks like it needs to actually check all of the disks, so... Yeah, let's just hope it doesn't delete any files. That's always what I've been scared of with this. The user's password must be changed. Okay, well, your password's been changed. Okay. So, there's no OBE, as you can see. there we go. So, yeah, here we are, Windows Server 2008. So, it's pretty much just a server version of Windows Vista, you know? All the stuff, nope, go away. All the stuff is here, so that's cool. So, yeah, great. So, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.